All right. So one of the things that we do as soon as my children say my throat is hurting or I feel a little scratchiness in my throat, get blueberries. Blueberries or bananas. I truly believe everything we need to help our bodies to heal is already on the earth. So blueberries are a natural anti-inflammatory. And so what are you feeling in your throat when you feel that scratchiness? Your throat is actually inflamed. And so blueberries will help immediately. As soon as you begin to swallow, the healing process begins. And I would say stay on these blueberries off and on for a day. By day 2, your throat should be healed and ready to move on to the next phase of healing. So how to heal from a sore throat? Blueberries and bananas. I hope this helps you in your journey.